The connection of the road that connects Tikkrikila and Rangsagre has become the cause of much anxiety, disappointments, and complaints for the people residing in Dadenggre block in West Garo Hills. The complaints and pleas of the people fall on very deaf ears as the road itself can neither be serviced under the PWD or the PMGSY, belonging to neither in terms of jurisdiction. To further exasperate the people is the fact that the road crosses a river at a section which submerges the road at intervals, causing much damages to it and inconvenience to the people who are unable to use the road to transport goods in such situation. With no one to sort the matter for them, the people of the area have decided to repair the road themselves.